Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect CTrader to TradingView. First, open your TradingView account on the web or app. Now, click on the Trading panel at the bottom of the screen. Scroll through the list of available brokers. Note that CTrader is not directly integrated with TradingView yet. To connect indirectly, use a CTrader supported broker that offers TradingView integration. Here, link your broker account to TradingView through the Broker's Connection option. Keep CTrader open to mirror or manage the same account. Execute trades in TradingView, which sync through your broker's system. You are now effectively using CTrader and TradingView together. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect CTrader to MT5. To start, open your CTrader and MT5 platforms. Note that a direct connection between CTrader and MT5 is not possible as they use different systems. To manage both, use the same broker that supports both CTrader and MT5. Now open two separate trading accounts under that broker, one for CTrader, one for MT5. Fund both accounts from the same wallet or broker dashboard. Then, use account transfers within the broker to move funds between them. Run CTrader and MT5 side by side for analysis or comparison. Here, manage your trades independently on each platform. This way, you can use both CTrader and MT5 under one broker setup. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.